Week 2 of winter brings 2 different festivities. On day 8, the Ice Festival will be held in Cindersap Forest between 9 and 2. Here you can purchase one of the 8 rare crows from the merchant, along with pumpkin soup, which is a good buffer for luck and defense. There's also some really fun dialogue to catch. For the ice fishing competition, you will have to catch at least 5 fish. Buffers and lures do not work during this. You also have to catch the fish through these holes, and there are no holes that are better than others. The trick is to stand close to the hole to minimize animation time between casts, because time does not stop while you are reeling like normal. You also have to be finished catching a fish by the timer's end, or that fish won't be caught. Prizes for winning will be some lures and a cute fisherman's hat. Squid Fest will happen at the ocean on the 12th and 13th, and it goes on all day. Each day there are different prizes, and no, the points do not roll over to the next day. You can get some pretty good rewards when catching the high number of squids. You can prep for this by making some squid bait. Also, you can smoke the squids as you catch them, and this will not take away the count that you have caught for the day. Don't forget to talk to the Grady sisters again. I was finally able to build a mill that I can make flour, sugar, and rice with. Don't forget to get some beet seeds from Sandy to make sugar. Since growing anything outside is impossible, I always use the greenhouse to try to stock up on different crops I would need for buffer recipes. Using a seed maker is really handy also, and doesn't take long to make seeds. If you enjoyed the Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.